Spending hours pushing a lawnmower under the hot sun can be exhausting and time-consuming. Thankfully, robotic lawnmowers offer a hands-free way to keep your grass perfectly trimmed with minimal effort. This is why we've done the research and found the best robotic lawnmowers for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Luba 2 AWD 5000H. When you're looking for a robotic lawnmower that can handle almost any challenge your yard might throw at it, the Luba 2 AWD 5000H steps up as a reliable option. Designed to navigate complex terrains and slopes, this mower makes maintaining your lawn a hassle-free task. The standout feature of this mower is its integration of RTK plus vision technology. This allows it to maintain signal even in areas where coverage is typically compromised by obstacles like trees or buildings. Its all-wheel drive system effortlessly manages slopes of up to 38 degrees, and it can cut grass up to 4 inches tall across areas as vast as 1.25 acres without the need for a perimeter wire. Setting up is streamlined through an app, eliminating the traditional boundary wire setup, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Ease of use extends to its mowing options, controlled via the same app or through voice commands with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. This mower is also environmentally conscious. It's fully solar-powered, reducing both your carbon footprint and operating costs. The built-in GPS and alarm system provides an added layer of security against theft, ensuring peace of mind. The Luba 2 AWD 5000H excels in functionality and convenience, adapting seamlessly to diverse lawn requirements and preferences. Whether you're managing a small garden or a large green space, it caters to different needs with its variant models, offering cutting heights ranging from 1 inch to 4 inches and capable of mowing areas from 0.25 to 2.5 acres. For anyone considering stepping up their lawn care game, it is certainly worth considering. The second on our list is the Husqvarna Auto Mow 430X. Designed by the global leader in robotic mowing, the Auto Mow 430X offers an innovative solution for those seeking a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort. This model combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to ensure your lawn looks its best around the clock. One of the most impressive aspects of the Auto Mow 430X is its flawless smart integration. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily control the mower via your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home. Adjust settings, track its location, and monitor mowing status with a simple tap on your device, giving you complete control over your lawn care. Installation of the Auto Mow 430X is a breeze thanks to the DIY installation kit. It includes everything you need to get started: a charging station, boundary wire, and guide wire. This allows for a straightforward setup process that you can manage on your own, saving time and hassle. Additionally, its compact design and ability to handle narrow passages and slopes up to 45 degrees make it ideal for complex gardens up to 0.8 acres. Security isn't overlooked either. Equipped with GPS tracking, a built-in alarm system, and a PIN code lock, this mower ensures that it stays where it should be and remains operational only under your command. The Husqvarna Auto Mow 430X robotic lawnmower stands out for its ease of use, efficient mowing capabilities, and robust security features. If you're looking to invest in a robotic mower that offers advanced technology, reliable performance, and peace of mind, the Auto Mow 430X is an excellent choice. The third on our list is the Works Landroid WR147. The Works Landroid WR147 is an automated lawn mowing solution designed to make lawn care as effortless as possible. Ideal for smaller yards up to a quarter acre, this robotic mower combines convenience with technology to keep your grass well maintained without constant oversight. A standout feature of the Landroid WR147 is its full automation. Once you set up the boundary wire and measure your lawn using the app, it takes over the job. It can handle your entire mowing routine independently, even suggesting mowing schedules based on the size and conditions of your yard. This mower is part of the Works PowerShare family, allowing you to use the same batteries across a wide range of Works tools, enhancing convenience and reducing waste. Navigating your garden is seamless for the Landroid, thanks to its patented AIA technology. It adeptly maneuvers through narrow paths that would challenge other mowers, ensuring no area goes untrimmed. If it encounters obstacles, it gently bumps into them and retreats, or you can set it to avoid certain areas altogether. Another intelligent feature is the rain sensor. The Landroid will return to its charging station when it detects rain, waiting to resume mowing until conditions improve. This not only protects the machine, but also your lawn from being mowed when wet, which can be harmful to the grass. Furthermore, its cut-to-edge design reduces the need for subsequent trimming by getting closer to the lawn edges than many other models. The Works Landroid WR147 is a smart choice for anyone looking for a robotic lawnmower that is efficient, easy to use, and capable of adapting to different yard conditions. With its innovative features and reliable performance, the Landroid ensures that keeping your lawn pristine is more convenient than ever. The fourth on our list is the Gardina Seleno Minimo. The Seleno Minimo is not just any robotic lawnmower, it's a culmination of over 20 years of engineering expertise designed to offer precision and quiet operation in maintaining your lawn. Perfect for those who appreciate a serene garden atmosphere, the Seleno Minimo blends efficiency with subtlety. One of the most notable features is its mulching function. As it mows, it leaves behind small grass clippings that naturally fertilize the soil and retain moisture, promoting a healthier lawn without extra effort. Its operation is exceptionally quiet, emitting only 57 decibels, making it the quietest in its class. This allows you to enjoy a peaceful garden while it works unobtrusively in the background. Cleaning is straightforward. A quick spray with a garden hose is all it takes, thanks to its weatherproof construction. The mower's patented guiding technology ensures it does not follow the same path repeatedly, avoiding track marks on your lawn. It also boasts AI-driven, precise cutting patterns and a spot cutting feature, perfect for reaching tricky areas like under trampolines or garden furniture. Navigating through your lawn, regardless of weather conditions, is a breeze. It doesn't need a rain sensor to continue operation, ensuring it works come rain or shine. With the ability to handle slopes up to 35% and tight corners as narrow as 24 inches, this mower is as versatile as it is efficient. For those seeking a robotic mower that combines quiet operation, precision, and ease of use, the Gardina Seleno Minimo is an excellent choice. The last on our list is the Segway Navimo i105N. Innovatively designed to adapt to any garden layout, the Segway Navimo i105N stands out with its cutting-edge technology and wireless convenience. Whether your lawn is shaded by trees or features complex narrow passages, this mower ensures precision mowing with ease and efficiency. A standout feature is its advanced RTK Plus Vision technology. This system provides centimeter-level positioning accuracy, ensuring that navigation and mowing are performed with precision even under challenging conditions. The setup is remarkably straightforward. No perimeter wires are necessary. Instead, you use your smartphone to create virtual boundaries, a process made even more user-friendly with AI-assisted mapping, which identifies and memorizes the perimeters of your lawn automatically. Designed for efficient lawn maintenance, it mows in planned patterns to ensure systematic coverage and changes direction after completing the area to minimize visible tracks. This mower can intelligently manage its battery life too, recharging as needed and resuming mowing until the entire lawn is perfectly trimmed. Safety and customization are further enhanced by its ability to recognize over 20 types of obstacles using a 140-degree field of view camera integrated with AI algorithms, providing robust obstacle avoidance capabilities. Through the app, you can control multiple zones up to 12 set different mowing schedules and update the mower's software over the air to keep it running optimally. The Segway Navimo i105N is an exemplar of modern lawn care technology, combining ease of use with sophisticated features that cater to any lawn's specific needs. Its wire-free setup, precise navigation, and customizable mowing options make it a top choice for those seeking a hassle-free and effective mowing solution. And that ends our list of the best robotic lawn mowers. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.